XG in the building. What is this countdown? GALA. You know how much I love XG. Oh shit! What the hell? Oh goddamn! Oh, everything we do. Okay. Ce soir, j'étais sweet jusqu'à l'infini. Ooh, oh! They look so good. I already saw the teasers. GALA. What good? What the? Exodus? I will, ma'am.
Which crew fly, then I swear to me that.
Ooh, okay.
Which crew fly, then I swear to me that. We don't need to do nothing, let them react. You know I can slay the whole city with that. We
Damn.
taking over the night because I'm pretty
Okay,
and black.
Harvey.
Everything we do,
Oh,
gotta
the
walk
eye.
away with it. Walks on me like Mario
Ooh,
Bennett. Let's
Maya.
Terry Hanzola, and that I hit him with the blue steel. We got to get it. Waited in gold. My worth can never be. Hit on the rim of eternity.
Ooh, chills, chills. Oh! Hey! Hey! Okay! Oh my god, okay, I can't. First of all, I know I'm pausing. Shut up. I get it. Stop pausing, Drake. But, there's so much. You know what? Let's go run through a second time. I'll just keep on going. Stop. Play.
Yeah, I could dress casually, naturally. Anything becomes a
Hey!
masterpiece. Kick, smash the teeth. 7 different looks like a magazine. That means
Yup,
every single
yup.
day becomes a fashion week. It's like art, fashionable lover. I'm
Ooh.
like a knock cause I'm always on the cover.
Hey.
With the pose and the swag to official. Only
Ooh.
L that knows the math is the issue. Pretty girls walk like this. Pretty
Yup,
girls
talk
talk
that.
like this.
Talk
Coca-Cola
that.
plates on wrist. I mean, who else do you know? Put it on like this. If you don't get it, that's not my problem. Changing my hair like my last name Rodman.
Whoa,
With the drip
the
top
different
to
looks.
bottom. Anything that we rock, they be talking about it. Turn the hallway to a catwalk. Turn the sidewalk to a runway.
Hey.
Every day's a photo shoot, that part. Paparazzi
That
gonna
part.
have it on the front page.
Hey.
Up in it. Windows tinted, can't see through it, but they know who's in it. Open up the doors with the logo printed. I don't even gotta post for the photo
Bruh.
finish. Shaking up the spot like a stone cold.
They
shit.
still
Shot in the
going.
dark like a snow globe, letter I.
Oh my
Represent
God.
the ex-Gala. Man, I
Looks so
told you
good.
I'm a trend that's met
That
to an
outfit,
ex-Gala.
crazy. An ex-GALA, bro. This Met Gala to an ex-GALA. What the fuck? Oh! Okay, she served. Oh, I love that outfit. It's crazy. Their outfits are crazy. Hey!
Talk for me, my move talk for me.
Ooh.
My lip gloss popping like a discography. And if it's not vibrant, then
So I be saying ooh, but I'm like, I don't know how to explain this. I can't, my mind can't process this right now. Oh, she is B-boy, B-girling. Ooh, I like this part right here. That brings you to the drop. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Woo. Crazy. What is happening? What else can they do? They can do everything. Ooh, and the dance break? Ooh, low-key, I can hear some remixes to this too. Talk to me. That's it. That's it. I want more. Can I have more? What? Wait, we need to have to run that back. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. This is 3 minutes and 52 seconds. That's literally a 4-minute video. It felt like 2 minutes just passed by or something like that. Wow. Let's go. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back. Okay. Spaceship. Turn a Met Gala into an XG Gala. Oh, the outfits. Who makes their outfits? It's crazy. Woo! Oh, I love it. Hit that dance. Ooh, okay, come through. Exodus. Ooh. I got you, girl. Hey, hey, hey.
Which crew fly the nuts with me that? We only
Which crew fly the nuts with me that? Bruh, it's tough, it's tough. You definitely one of the faves for sure, XG. Maybe the top.
Which crew fly the nuts with
Remember
me
that?
that? We don't need to do nothing, let them react.
Ooh, I just love the way I react. Okay, let's stop.
No one can say the whole city with that. We taking over the night because I'm pretty and black.
Ooh.
Everything we do got a runway with it. Walks on me like mind your business.
Business. Ooh, I saw me so money on business.
Look so sharp, it's every Hanzo, and then I hit it with the blue steel. We got to get it.
Ooh.
It gold.
This part's fire.
Never be. Hit of the realm of eternity.
Bro, these outfits are crazy.
Souls dripping colors and desire.
What the? I just turned the Met Gala into X Gala. Oh, I just turned the Met Gala into an X Gala. Oh, these outfits of them all matching is crazy to me too. Woo, okay. Harvey's outfit's crazy. Even with those eyes that creep me out, I like it.
I could dress casually, naturally. Anything becomes a masterpiece. Look how the kicks match the teeth. 7 different looks like a magazine. That means every single day becomes a
Fashion week. Oh, you. Come on, man.
like art, fashionable lover. I'm like a knock cause I'm always on the
Cover.
cover. Hit him with the pose and the swag to a
Official.
feature. Only L I know is the match is the
Issue.
Pretty girls walk like this.
Well,
Pretty
talk
girls
it.
talk like this.
What you talk about?
Plates on wrist.
Woo.
I mean, who else do you know? Put it on like this.
Yeah.
If you don't get it, that's not my problem. Changing my hair like my last name, Rod.
Changing my hair by like my last name is Rodman. Rodman used to like dye his hair all the time. He's also a great basketball player, defensive player, with a lot of rebounds.
And top far with the drip top to bottom. Anything that we rock, they be talking about it.
Woo!
Turn the hallway to a
The catwalk.
Turn the
Side
sidewalk
to the runway. Hey!
Every day's a photo shoot.
That part. Hey!
Got my outfit on the
Front page. Hey!
Windows 10 and can't see through it, but they know who's in it. Open up the doors with the logo printed. I don't even gotta post for the photo finish.
Yeah. Oh, they just keep going. They just keep going, bro. Yes, talk to me. What does that mean in French? Those black tears, my God. Serve. What the fuck? You see this? What the fuck?
Watch us snap the old hell, the exit across the party, so get out my way. All metallic, sweet, sexy, savage, in the finest garment, sing it down my way.
Woo! I love it. I love these outfits. Why they look like a futuristic like Tekken player? Like Tekken fighter.
My dress talk for me, drip talk for me, my boob talk for me, my lip gloss popping like a discography, and if it's not vibrant, then
There's a
it's not
fire
me,
shot
if
too.
it's
There's
no
so many
me.
fire shots in
I
this.
sing next to my ex-stylist.
Ooh, B-girlin'. I didn't know you get B-girl.
Representative of ex-gallus.
Okay.
Gala to an ex-gallus.
Hey! This one kind of gives me like very Lady Gaga vibes right here. Gala. Walk. Hey, 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 ah, hey, 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 ah, hey, 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 This is Gala. Ooh, and the dance. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Woo-hoo. talk to me. I don't know what you said. Just talk to me. I need to show my girlfriend, cause a couple that stands XG, it's the best couple in the world. All right, y'all, put in the comments down below what you guys think of XG's Gala. They're gonna turn the Met Gala into an X Gala. My God, bro, there was a lot of rapping in here. I really like that, especially for this type of like music too. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Link in the description down below. You can join for free. You can subscribe for $1. You know what I'm saying? It's been a while since I uploaded a reaction, and it just felt right with XG. I know there's so much happening in the music world, K-pop world, J-pop world, P-pop world, every world, but XG just brought me back to reacting again. In the comments down below what you guys want me to check out as well, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, live stream, or TikTok, or Instagram reel, everywhere. I'm ever a Patreon. Go check out the Patreon. All right, y'all. Peace out. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.